लोग शायद हमारे टाइम में हमारे माँ बाप कहते थे नहीं नहीं यार बिगड़ जाएगी, ज़्यादा नहीं करो बिगड़ जाएगी, ये नहीं करो, सर हाथों से निकल जाएगी, यही टर्म्स होते थे ना. बट व्हेन यू गिव योर चिल्ड्रन दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ, एंड बी इट योर डॉटर और बी इट योर सन, if your mother is being treated, if a son is watching his mother being treated like a queen at home, he will do the same with his wife.
Yeah.
And it's जो आजकल के लड़के हैं जो बहुत गैसलाइट करते हैं अपनी बीवियों को या अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को, या एक नार्सिसिस्टिक ट्रेट्स होते हैं उनके अंदर.
अभी so I was talking to someone and I got to know so there's a woman who is like a newlywed woman and she just have a small baby, 1 year old. She was like, I know her. She's very educated. She was a very elegant lady. But unfortunately she got married to this guy who is extreme level of, जैसे कहते हैं ना, misogyny और narcissistic किस्म का जो behavior होता है. So I was like कि okay, you don't have to like carry this relation, but this is like a very huge thing to I would say conquer, because not everyone have that liberty to, or even that courage to, you don't even sometimes know that you have that courage to fight for it. You don't have that courage. You feel, क्योंकि आपके सबसे पहले जो चीज़ खत्म होती है ना, वो होती है self esteem. जब आपकी self esteem ही नहीं होती है तो फिर you don't know कि अच्छा अब आप बजाते खुद क्या हैं, ठीक है. Now that आज जो बात हो रही थी वो ये थी कि जी वो उसको nail paint नहीं लगाने दे रहा, because he doesn't want her to paint her nails. He doesn't want her to put lipsticks on
he knows
her.
that she's better than him.
Yeah, she is, and that's even proven. That is actually so out loud that no one even have to say it or tell that to her.
It's very evident. Yeah.
It is very much out loud there. And uske saath, like, I would ask him, okay, we don't want her to put nail paint. Are you wearing shalwar takhno se upar? Do you have a beard?
Yeah.
If you're like too religious, which you're not, I know you. Is this the case? तो मैं कहूँगी अच्छा यार चलो वो इतना religious है और तुम्हें पहले से पता था तो, but that's not the case. The case is कि it's just he is so helpless. He cannot even hide this whole misogyny and narcissistic behavior.
The problem is that our men, and not just our men all over the world, but हाँ हमारे यहाँ ज़्यादा है. The problem is that they are so how do I tell you? They're so protected, and they're always given the benefit of the doubt for everything. Oh, मेरा चांद सा बेटा, मेरा बेटा नहीं हाथ लगाएगा, नहीं तुम छोड़ दो, मैं तुम्हारे बर्तन धो देती हूँ, नहीं मैं खाना गर्म करके लाती हूँ, ओ भाई रात के 4 बज रहे हैं, दोस्तों के साथ आया, मैं रात को सो नहीं सकी, लाओ मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ खाने को पराठा बना दूँ, भाई आप आलू के पराठे रात को. So I blame the mothers of that time for not setting boundaries. I feel like boundaries are so important to be. It reflects when you see a man, you automatically cannot blame anybody else other than their mothers or the environment they grew up in. Because if I am a boy mom, I will make sure that I'm strict with my daughter, but I'm pretty strict with my son. And my son should know the core values that a woman holds. मुझे बताओ ऐसा क्या काम है जो औरत नहीं कर सकती और जो आदमी करता है जो औरत नहीं कर सकती.
I have no idea.
और ऐसे कौन से काम हैं जो औरत कर सकती है जो आदमी नहीं कर सकता?
There are a few.
There are more than a few. So I feel like कि ये हमने ना एक प्रेशर एक चीज़ बनाई हुई है अपने माइंड में. और खैर I think God has created us in such a way where men exist because we are, as women, we like to be nurtured as well. We are very nurturing. We also like to be nurtured. We like to be taken care of. I feel like in this day and age, especially with the Gen Z, लाइक वो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स को पाल रही है भाई, खाना भी निवाले खिला खिला के। उन्होंने उनको शुगर मामाज बनाया हुआ है भाई कि तुम ही पे कर दो ना यार, चलो तुम पे कर दो भाई। क्यों पे करें भाई?